Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis, technical analysis over on Bed Bath & Beyond, ticker BBBY. So as you normally know, if you've been watching this channel, we tend to do our analysis over on a 6-month and a 1-year chart. Now that will provide us our strongest levels, you know, if we're maybe looking to take some option trades on it or we're looking to swing trade it. But really, if you're looking for, you know, short-term day trades, scalps, or you kind of just want to know really at kind of levels to where we're most likely to hit in the next few days, because again, when we're looking at the 6-month and the 1 year, may take a few days or weeks or maybe even a month to kind of hit into those levels. So if we're paying attention to the short-term levels, which we're going to go through in this video, again, these are more likely to hit more quickly. And so if we're looking for, you know, scalps or kind of day trades in the next few days, these levels are kind of what we can be paying attention to. So we can see we do have a support at $1.89. We have come back to kind of test this. It looks like we're getting a small bounce. So again, this is how we kind of play the levels anyway. We look to play the bounce. And as of right now, again, we'll be looking in some profits, have our stop at break even. If it comes back down to that level, just be stopping out, let it continue down. And if there's a re-entry, we'll look to get one. But if it doesn't continue to, you know, go further up, then obviously we're still holding in the bulk of the position or some of the position. So there's still money to be made. Now, if we break that below the 189, we're then looking at a 145 support going down to a 130, and then quite far off, probably not all that likely to hit anytime soon, but we do also have 70 to 60 cents. So really my main ones I'd be focusing on now is obviously this 190, can we hold, can we not? If we do end up breaking it, 145, 130, definitely probable within the next few days, considering the stock, you know, can move 10-20% in a day. So that's what I'd be paying attention to. Now, as a target side, resistance side, what are we paying attention to? So if I was holding the stock long now, my target really would be 225. That's where I'd be looking to lock in profits and really just getting out of the position. And the reason for that is if we go any higher to around 250 to around 310, this is statistical mean, and as you know, if you've been watching this channel, I don't like trading within the area of statistical mean, especially if we're only trading off technicals, because there isn't really a trading edge within this area. The stock is considered fair value. If you're looking to trade, you know, you want to be buying it shorting it overbought, or usually buying it oversold, whereas, you know, when we're in that range, it is just fair value. If we end up breaking that, though, we do have some quick resistances at 360, or 370, 390, 425 and 475. Again, these levels probably aren't going to hit, but it's just in case we get some kind of quick move, you know, a 20-30% day, then, you know, those levels can become quite probable, which obviously in a stock like this can easily happen, so it's better to be prepared. But really, it's just really watching, can we hold this 190? If so, 225 is a target. If not, maybe with potential short down to 145. Again, it's probably not going to happen in one day, so you'll be having to hold it as a swing. And if so, again, it provides options. Always want to be taking out some sort of hedge if you're shorting overnight. Just because, again, you don't want unlimited risk. It's just a lot of risk, especially on a stock like this, you know, which could move 50, 100% overnight. You don't want to be holding something short like that, especially for, you know, the lack of reward that is probably there anyway. Anyway, I hope you did enjoy the breakdown on Bed Bath & Beyond. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.